Hello. Do you go to the supermarket? Do you want to speak English there? Today, you will learn simple English for the supermarket. Hello. Welcome to Hello Simple English. My name is Ricky.
Hello, Ricky. My name is Emma.
Nice to see you, Emma.
Nice to see you too, Ricky.
Today, we are at the supermarket. We will learn simple English for shopping.
Yes, this is very useful English. People go to the supermarket every week.
That's right. Let's start very slowly. Very easy English. When you enter the supermarket, you can say, hello,
Hello.
or you can say, hi.
Hi.
Very good. Now, you look around the supermarket. You see food. You see drinks. You see many products.
Yes, I see fruits. I see vegetables. I see bread.
Good. Let's say some words together. Apple,
Apple.
banana,
Banana.
bread,
Bread.
milk.
Milk.
Very good. Now you want to buy something. You can say, I want apples,
I want apples.
or I need bread.
I need bread.
Perfect. Let's practice again. I want.
I want milk.
Great job. Now, sometimes you don't find a product. You need help.
Yes, this is very common.
You can ask, excuse me,
Excuse me.
where is the bread?
Where is the bread?
Excellent. This is simple English.
Yes, very simple, very useful.
Listen again. Repeat again. You are learning English. Now let's continue. We are still at the supermarket.
Yes, now we talk about prices.
Very important English. Very simple. When you want to know the price, you ask, how much is this?
How much is this?
Good. Or you can ask, how much are these?
How much are these?
Perfect. Let's go slowly. 1 apple.
1 apple.
You ask, how much is this apple?
How much is this apple?
Very good. Now, many apples.
Many apples.
You ask, how much are these apples?
How much are these apples?
Excellent. Now, let's practice together. How much is this?
How much is this?
How much are these?
How much are these?
Great job. Now, the person answers. It is $2.
It is $2.
Or, they are $5.
They are $5.
Very good. Let's say numbers. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Excellent. Now, a short conversation. Excuse me,
Yes,
how much is this bread?
it is $3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Perfect. Sometimes you don't understand.
Yes, that happens.
You can say, sorry,
Sorry.
or can you repeat, please?
Can you repeat, please?
Very good. This is polite English. This is real English.
Yes, very useful at the supermarket.
We are still at the supermarket.
Yes. Now we talk about finding products.
Sometimes you don't know where things are.
Yes, that is very common.
You can ask for help. You say, excuse me.
Excuse me,
Good. Then you ask, where is the milk?
where is the milk?
Perfect. Let's practice slowly. Where is the bread?
Where is the bread?
Where is the rice?
Where is the rice?
Very good. Now the person answers. It is over there.
It is over there.
Or, it is near the door.
It is near the door.
Or, it is next to the fruit.
It is next to the fruit.
Excellent. Let's say some words. Near,
Near.
far,
Far.
next to.
Next to.
Very good. Now, a short conversation. Excuse me, where is the cheese?
It is next to the milk.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great job. You have your products.
Yes. Now we go to the checkout.
The cashier talks to you. The cashier says, hello,
Hello.
or how are you?
How are you?
You can say, I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. Now the cashier says, that is $10.
That is $10.
You can say, here you go.
Here you go.
Perfect. Or you can say, I pay with card.
I pay with card.
Or, I pay with cash.
I pay with cash.
Excellent. Now, a short conversation. Hello,
Hello.
that is $15.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Perfect. This is very common English. You use this every day.
You finished paying.
Yes. Now you get your bags.
The cashier asks, do you need a bag?
Do you need a bag?
You can say, yes, please,
Yes, please.
or no, thank you.
No, thank you.
Very good. Now the cashier gives you the receipt. The cashier says, here is your receipt.
Here is your receipt.
You can say, thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect. Sometimes you want the receipt. You can ask, can I have the receipt, please?
Can I have the receipt, please?
Excellent. Let's practice. Yes, please. No, thank you. Thank you. Great job. Now you are ready to leave.
Yes. Shopping is finished.
This is polite English. Now let's put everything together. A full conversation at the supermarket.
Listen carefully.
Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
It is next to the bread.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much is this milk?
It is $2.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
That is $12.
Here you go.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Perfect. This is supermarket English.
Yes.
You can use this English today.
Everyday English.
Now let's practice together. Listen and repeat with Emma. I am at the supermarket.
I am at the supermarket.
I want apples.
I want apples.
I need bread.
I need bread.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Where is the milk?
Where is the milk?
I pay with card.
I pay with card.
I need a bag.
I need a bag.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Now let's say full sentences. I am at the supermarket and I buy food.
I am at the supermarket and I buy food.
I ask for help at the supermarket.
I ask for help at the supermarket.
I pay and leave the store.
I pay and leave the store.
Excellent. Now let's review everything. At the supermarket, you say hello.
At the supermarket, I say hello.
You ask for products.
I ask for products.
You ask for prices.
I ask for prices.
You pay at the checkout.
I pay at the checkout.
You say thank you.
I say thank you.
Very good. Now say this with me. I can speak English at the supermarket.
I can speak English at the supermarket.
I feel confident.
I feel confident.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Excellent.
I am learning step by step.
Yes, little by little. Now let's practice one last time. Listen and speak with Emma. I go to the supermarket.
I go to the supermarket.
I buy food.
I buy food.
I ask for help.
I ask for help.
I ask for the price.
I ask for the price.
I pay at the checkout.
I pay at the checkout.
I say thank you.
I say thank you.
Very good. Now a longer sentence. I go to the supermarket and I buy food.
I go to the supermarket and I buy food.
Excellent. You learned English for the supermarket.
Yes.
You learned how to ask for products,
How to ask for prices.
how to pay.
And how to say thank you.
Very good. Listen again when you can.
Repeat the sentences.
Practice every day.
Little by little.
This is extra practice for you.
Yes. Extra practice helps a lot.
Listen and speak naturally.
I feel comfortable at the supermarket. I feel comfortable at the supermarket.
I understand simple English.
I understand simple English.
I can ask questions.
I can ask questions.
I can answer questions.
I can answer questions.
Very good. Now listen to this. Now let's review slowly. At the supermarket, I say hello.
At the supermarket, I say hello.
I look for products.
I look for products.
I ask for help.
I ask for help.
I ask for prices.
I ask for prices.
I pay at the checkout.
I pay at the checkout.
I say thank you.
I say thank you.
Very good. Now let's review one last time. We are at the supermarket.
Yes, at the supermarket.
I say hello.
I say hello.
I look for products.
I look for products.
I ask for help.
I ask for help.
I ask for prices.
I ask for prices.
I pay at the checkout.
I pay at the checkout.
I say thank you.
I say thank you.
Very good. Now let's slow down. You don't need to be perfect.
Simple English is enough.
People understand you.
Yes, they understand.
You can speak English.
You can speak English
You can go to the supermarket.
and feel confident.
That is important.
Confidence comes with practice.
Little by little. Now it is time to say goodbye. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for learning with us.
This was Hello Simple English.
English made simple.
Listen again when you can.
Repeat the sentences.
Practice every day.
Your English will grow.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.